If you're exhausted by phones that brag about big upgrades but never fix the small daily annoyances, stay with me. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is here, and instead of hype, we're focusing on what actually changes your experience, clearly, directly, and without wasting your time. Let's start with Audio Eraser. It no longer works only on videos you record, now it can clean up videos you're watching too, even on YouTube. Wind, traffic, background chatter fade down while voices stay clear. It's subtle, but once you use it, you'll notice the difference instantly. Samsung also added horizontal lock for video. Even if your hand slightly tilts while recording, the horizon stays level. No awkward angles, no drifting frames. Walking shots look properly aligned and stable. And that's just one of several upgrades aimed at creators. Autoframing now captures in full 4K instead of 1080p. The camera can zoom and recompose to keep you centered without sacrificing resolution. You get smart tracking and full detail at the same time. The intelligence doesn't stop at video either. Photo Assist has evolved into a text-driven tool. Instead of brushing areas manually, you type what you want. Remove objects, swap elements, merge images, refine details. Even facial edits look natural. It's one of the most polished AI editing systems on a phone right now. Call screening finally makes its way here. Unknown numbers are answered by your phone first, and you see the caller's reason before picking up. Simple and practical. Then there's Now Nudges, which reads your screen and suggests helpful actions to reduce jumping between apps. Samsung's AI lineup expands too. Gemini, Bixby, and Perplexity are built in. Gemini is powerful, but deeper system control now comes from tighter Samsung integration. You can query any web page directly inside Samsung Internet, and even screenshots sort themselves automatically. All of this runs on One UI 8.5, bringing subtle refinements across the interface. On the hardware side, Privacy Display limits side viewing angles with normal and maximum modes. You can activate it only for specific apps or pin screens for more practical protection. The display itself moves to Samsung's new M14 panel. It's more efficient, more color accurate, and built to last longer. Now it's 10-bit, showing up to 1 billion colors instead of 16 million. Gradients look smoother and HDR improves. PWM dimming and peak brightness stay the same. There's also a new 24-megapixel camera option, exclusive to this model. Sitting between 12 and 50 megapixels, it balances dynamic range, color depth, and sharpness. You enable it through Camera Assistant. Low light performance improves too, and the optics play a big role here. Both the main and periscope cameras get larger apertures, letting in around 40% more light. That means cleaner zoom, reduced flare, and more natural tones. Focal lengths shift slightly, a wider selfie, tighter main, and 5x. There's also a new APV codec for more flexible editing. Charging speeds step up as well. Wired goes to 60 watts, reaching roughly 75% in about 30 minutes, around 10% faster than before. Wireless climbs to 25 watts, but full Qi 2.2 speed still needs a magnetic case, since built-in magnets aren't included. Under the hood, storage is faster and more efficient. RAM is newer and about 26% quicker, helping multitasking and camera transitions. It runs on Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy with 19% CPU, 26% GPU, and 39% NPU gains. 7 years of updates support that power. The design rounds things off, so let's talk about what changed physically.